Alright, Tuville. I'm going to try a little something different rather than just posting pictures and trying to type it all up. This is the area I call the corner pocket. So over the years I wrote a lot about this. The Kubota's parked down there right in the inside corner of this spot. It's several good oaks around here. And I'm standing, there's a great white oak right here, which always has a wonderful scrape underneath of it. And then as we're panning this way, we're starting to look south in towards where one of my sanctuaries are. And then this little finger comes up and dumps out in what's a bean field this year. So if I keep panning around towards the east, that field runs over in towards some thick stuff on my neighbors. Right up there where you see that sumac sapling is where I had the blind that Tracy shot her deer out of. And our property line's probably 150, 200 yards to the east from here. And as we start to roll around north, there's a lot of topography right here. Drops off down in towards the creek, so really got a good bench, runs around through the woods. Several good red oaks in there. We saved right here in the middle of the picture is the crabapple that we saved a few years ago, and it's really flourished after we got in there and cut out all the briars and vines and everything else. And they're starting to scrape under it. They use it very frequently, and a lot of deer are coming out right there. I actually have a lot of deer that come back out here sort of from the northwest that are coming off south facing bedding that's just on the other side of the creek, probably 100 yards from where I'm standing. Well, 200 yards from where I'm standing. And then this corner this drops off really steep down in towards the creek. And when you see all my mineral lick pictures, that's 200 yards down into the holler there. So I've traditionally had my tree stand up here. I lose a lot of cover and get pretty exposed there, but it's really the best of my options on any sort of southerly wind. I'm in pretty good shape right there. This food plot will get mowed down. Right now you'll see there's still a lot of clover growing in here. We're gonna end up mowing this down, and I'm gonna try to go with the one food plot architecture that the juries talk about, since we're in here in an inside corner. And then I'm also going to take advantage of the green to green that they'll preach, because these beans were in really early up here and they will definitely be brown by the time the season rolls in. So I'm going to go back to a big leafy blend of kale and brassica, rape, turnip down here. I've not had the best luck with that over the years, but I'm willing to give it another try using the merit seeds, because I've had pretty good luck with them. So I'm going to rehang this set. We did a safety check, pulled all the straps, made sure everything was cool there. I had a mismatched set of sticks in here. We fixed that problem. Gonna put one of the nice hawk stands up there with the footrest, and I'm gonna spin this stand around a little bit more on the tree this year to try to take advantage of backdrop from the tree itself, and then a couple of nice limbs that come off, and try to tuck myself in there a little better job than I've done in the past. It's amazing once the leaves come off here how exposed I feel when I'm standing in that stand. So try to correct that today, get it back up. June 1st, 2019, very first tree stand of the year. So I'll try to do this in a couple more spots, and maybe it helps you guys understand what I'm pulling off down here, rather than just trying to post pictures and write about it. Stay tuned.